If you're planning to buy an SUV in 2026, you might be one decision away from owning a $40,000 nightmare. Because some of the most popular SUVs on the road today are hiding serious reliability problems. Engines failing, transmissions collapsing, electronics turning into expensive repair disasters. And the worst part? One SUV on this list is so unreliable, mechanics say they would never buy it themselves. In this video, we're exposing 10 SUVs you should never buy in 2026. These vehicles look amazing in the showroom, but can become financial headaches after a few years. And stay until the end, because the number one SUV on this list shocked even experienced mechanics. Thousands of owners say they regret buying it. SUVs dominate the roads today. Huge screens, luxury interiors, turbocharged engines. But here's what dealerships rarely tell you. Many modern SUVs are built to sell quickly, not last long. Weak transmissions, overloaded electronics, engines pushed to their limits, and once the warranty ends, you could be facing thousands of dollars in repairs. So before you spend your money, let's break down 10 SUVs you should avoid in 2026. Number 10. Jeep Compass. At first glance, the Jeep Compass looks like a solid deal. Affordable, stylish, and it carries the famous Jeep badge. But many owners report a frustrating problem. Transmission hesitation. Press the gas, and the SUV pauses before responding. Some drivers say it feels like the vehicle is thinking before accelerating. Not exactly what you want in traffic. Reliability scores for the Compass also rank near the bottom of its class. And unfortunately, the next SUV has even more serious complaints. Number 9. Chevrolet Traverse. The Chevrolet Traverse promises something every family wants: space, comfort, and practicality. But under the surface, many owners report transmission failures before 100,000 miles, and fixing it isn't cheap. Some repairs cost $4,000 to $6,000. Imagine buying a family SUV, only to face a repair bill bigger than your vacation budget. And the next SUV? Its biggest weakness isn't the transmission, it's the electronics. Number 8. Volkswagen Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas looks fantastic. Bold styling, huge interior, premium feel. But many owners report frustrating electrical issues. Infotainment screens freezing, sensors malfunctioning, random warning lights appearing on the dashboard. Modern German engineering can feel amazing until something breaks. Because when it does, repairs can get very expensive. But the next SUV has a problem mechanics hate dealing with: unpredictable transmissions. Number 7. Ford Explorer. The Ford Explorer is one of the most famous SUVs ever built. But some recent models have struggled. Owners report hard-shifting transmissions and electronic glitches. Some vehicles even required multiple dealership visits. Imagine buying a road trip SUV that spends more time at the service center than on the highway. But the next SUV on this list surprised many buyers, because it used to have a great reputation. Number 6. Nissan Pathfinder. For years, the Nissan Pathfinder was known for reliability. But some recent models have raised concerns. Drivers report rough shifting and drivetrain problems. And when major components fail, repair bills can climb quickly. Now let me ask you something. Would you rather own an SUV that looks impressive, or one that quietly runs for 300,000 miles without drama? Because the difference between those two choices can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. And the next SUV proves that point perfectly. Number 5. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia looks premium. Sharp design, comfortable interior. But some owners report serious engine problems after 80,000 miles. One of the biggest complaints? Timing chain issues. If that fails, repairs can cost thousands. And here's the twist. The next SUV is a luxury vehicle, but reliability is where things fall apart. Number 4. Land Rover Discovery Sport. The Land Rover Discovery Sport looks incredible. Luxury design, off-road capability, prestige badge. But reliability ratings tell a different story. Owners frequently report electrical failures, suspension problems, costly maintenance. Owning one can feel less like luxury and more like constant trips to the repair shop. But the next SUV shocked reliability experts because it's extremely popular. Number 3. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee is iconic, powerful styling, comfortable interior, strong brand reputation. But some recent models have struggled with electronic system failures, screens freezing, sensors malfunctioning, random warning lights appearing. Modern vehicles depend heavily on electronics, and when those systems fail, repairs can become expensive very quickly. But the next SUV might be the most controversial one on this list. Number 2. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango is built for power, big engines, aggressive design, muscle SUV reputation, but reliability hasn't always kept up. Owners report transmission issues and electrical glitches, and once the warranty expires, repairs can become painfully expensive. But the number 1 SUV on this list? Even mechanics warn people about it. Number 1. Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade looks fun, compact, adventurous, perfect for city driving. But many owners describe it as one of the most frustrating SUVs to own. Frequent warning lights, electrical problems, poor reliability ratings. Some drivers say they've spent more time fixing the SUV than driving it. And that's why many mechanics say the same thing. If reliability matters to you, this is one SUV to avoid. Here's the reality. Not every SUV is built the same. Some are engineered for long-term durability. Others, they're built for showroom appeal, big screens, fancy features. But underneath, weak reliability. And choosing the wrong SUV can cost you years of expensive repairs. So before buying your next vehicle, do your research. Check long-term reliability. Because the right SUV can last 300,000 miles or more. But the wrong one might struggle to reach 100,000 miles. If you made it this far, comment SUV below and tell me, which SUV would you never buy? And if you want to see the list of SUVs that can easily reach 300,000 miles, subscribe. Because that video might save you thousands of dollars.